Thank you guys to Fred Mwaa TV. Kindly consider subscribing, like and comment. Welcome to another amazing lesson that I'll be teaching you a very simple song, and let me sing so that you can know what I'm going to teach you right now. Me now, me now, me now, me now, me now. Just that, eh? How am I playing? I'm starting with these three. This is B, D and G. I start with B, D, G and then B and D alone. Oh, me now. You just don't. Then I go to D, G and B. The same thing. So start like. And then we go up. Then or you can start again. Alright. Then up. And then these two. And then I'm holding. Like that. Start again. Let's start again. There. Then let me play it, all of it. Then the bass I'm play like this, the right hand. The same thing. And then I repeat the same thing. Look at this hand. Nice. Then I go up. Then when I go up, I'm following this scale. You see, I'm just following. I go. Then let's do it again. Then repeat the same thing here. So with the beat, guys, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm struggling a bit because I'm using these 3 fingers so that you can be able to view the chords nicely, but you are supposed to play. Always I tell you, a chord we hold it with the first finger, the second finger, and the 5th finger, like this. No? You see? Play the beat. You can play with that. Using the same scale of G that I'm using. So la ti la so, do ti la so fa mi re do re mi fa so la ti do ti la so fa mi re do. I'm using the scale of G, but I have transposed it to +3, so I'm playing on a key of B flat, or what we call an A sharp. That is the key that I'm using. For people who usually ask about the key that you are using, that is the key that I'm using. And the voice, I'm using country pop as usual, number 105, and then the voice I'm using reed organ in combination with chapel organ. Let's play again and listen to how it sounds. I can even change the key. I can just go back to G, I transpose to 0. See how it's very simple to play these songs. So if you are going to follow me here at YouTube and subscribe and like and comment on the song that you want me to come here back again and teach you. Although right now I have some kahoma, I have some flu, man, but I'll be back. And if you haven't watched my song, I have a very nice song, Catholic cover song on my YouTube. It's known as Fred Mwaa Music. If you search Fred Mwaa Music on YouTube, you shall find my songs there. And if you also search Fred Mwaa Music on Instagram, on Facebook, you will find me there. And make sure you follow, make sure you like my videos, make sure you support this talent so that I can be able to teach you, and I can be able to provide more lessons, because your motivation is just by subscribing and liking. I'm not I'm not charging you to teach you. I'm just teaching you for free, and what you need just to do is to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share to others, so that to your friends, to people who want to learn about how to play Catholic piano, said to them, and in coming days I will find a teacher and we shall go through the music notes, but right now let us learn how to play Catholic song in the simplest way, and you shall go advancing until you become a professional organist, guys. I don't have anything else to add. This is Fred Mwaa TV. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. Let's meet on the next one.